Mwana mundele. Butala. Swoosh, swoosh.
What we suffer now is nothing compared to the glory he will reveal to us later. Romans 8:18. J'ai aussi écrit en français si tu lis pas anglais. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get started!
Hey guys, before we start, I just want to say, pardonnez-moi. My neighbors don't know how to act when it's summertime and they like to mow their grass on days that people don't mow their grass. So today's video, I'm going to be trying a trend that's been going on YouTube, and I know some of y'all probably sick and tired of seeing this trend, but different hair texture do different things, and I'm pretty sure they use different products, so I don't care. I'm gonna be doing the try my hair wet style. I've tried this hairstyle before when I had my hair short. I'm gonna place a picture somewhere here. My hair is still short. Don't get it twisted, sis. Sis is growing something out here, okay? Woo! Look, I had to lift myself up so you guys can see where it actually ends. Sis was on that Nia Long, okay? Nia Long, you feel me? And Nia, however you say her name, but I was on it, okay? Now that we no longer use a black gel, we're gonna be using the anti-Jackie, and I'm gonna be mixing it with the Super Look. What's going on with today? Huh? So I'm going to be using my Auntie Jackie. This is great for low porosity. If you have low porosity hair, this is actually pretty good for low porosity. I'm using this gel right here, and I heard that this is also good for low porosity hair, and it's the Wet Line Super Look by the Wet Line. I'm actually going to be mixing these two gel together because I want the hairstyle to not dry out. I want it to look wet. Okay, we want it to look wet and stylish. So let's just get started. So if we can get it back like this, sis, I want to be somebody's wife. Okay, so first and foremost, I have 3C for a hair. So don't go underneath my comment tell me what type of hair texture I have. I see my hair every day, so don't be guessing it for me. I know what I got. We're gonna part this first. You know that I keep the blue sign in the front. Blue for Nipsey. On sait pas comment ça va sortir, mais on va faire seulement. Dieu va faire. So in this, I have water and conditioner mixed together, and we're just gonna spray it all out. Dieu va faire, huh? Because my hair likes to act up, and then it gets snatched up back in a ponytail. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna go in, and I'm gonna be using the Auntie Jackie and also the Super Wet Look, the Super Look, yeah, extra hold. Ooh, this smells good. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Don't try this at home. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna actually get them separate, little by little, because you want it to be very, very wet. So I'm going to use the Auntie Jackie first. And I'm going to go in with my Super Hold. Normally I use my black gel, but we're going healthy, okay? We don't do black gel anymore. I feel like when you mix it together, it makes it a lot better. So we're just going to, the more the gel for me, the better. My hair curls are popping right now. So I want that gel to like hold the curls just like that. So this is perfect. So once I'm done with this section, I'm going to go in with my mousse. A little bit of this. And a little bit of Auntie Jackie. And we're just going to pop. You feel me? So now that I'm done with the back, I'm going to go in with this mousse. It's called Perfect Purity, and it's volumizing mousse. It's supposed to be like maximum hold. I'm going to do it in section because I find it easier when you do it in section. Woo. Hard. And I'm just, we're just going to put it in here. I feel like mousse makes everything better in my opinion. So like I said, I'm going to do these in section because I want to make sure that my hair stays wet. 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 You feel me? That's what we want. We want that wet look. And now I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna be using the Salon, sorry. I'm gonna be using the Salon Selective Humidity. Hein? Il faut que tu utilises ça parce qu'il fait chaud dehors, maman. Je veux pas que j'utilise ça, puis je sors, ça me fait whew. I don't want that. So when I go out, I want to make sure that it controls and it stays all day. I'm just gonna spray it on my hair. It looks unhealthy, but trust me, this is going to make something happen. Okay, so we're gonna go back with the Auntie Jackie just to keep our hair on the good turn. And I wouldn't recommend you to do the wet look every day at all. Please don't do it every day. Don't make it a habit to do it like a wash and go. I wouldn't make it a habit. So I think I'm gonna flip it a little bit. I'm gonna do a mousse first. So I'm gonna use this mousse right here like I did before. I'm gonna use this first. Instead of doing the gel first, I think I'm gonna use the mousse first. Put it in the entire hair. Part this with Auntie Jackie. I'm going with my extreme hold. Just going to pow together. I want to actually take some of this out just for a bit. My biggest focus is my roots because I want to make sure that it actually lays and not surprise me later on, because my roots likes to come out. Je veux pas que ça sorte, hein? Maman, prends un peu de respect. So when I'm doing this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be tucking it behind my ears parce que c'est bon. On a besoin que ça reste. Ça reste. Souviens-toi mon délai, hein? Yo me coûte là. Souviens-toi mon délai, hein? So I know this is going to be a little bit difficult for some people. What I like to do my hair in sections. So I'm not going to just go ahead and just pow my hair. I'm going to get these the toothbrush, and I'm just going to, every time I do it, on va sortir un peu de cheveux ici. Mais ça ici, ça va partir behind my ears. Sukindeti mwana mundele mama. Tulinga boy fall. Do the same method, Auntie Jackie, extreme hold, mix it together. I actually like this combination, to be honest with you. Oh. My lashes came out. I'm gonna use my comb and I'm gonna instead of using a brush, I prefer a comb. Because for me, combs do a lot more justice than a brush. And I don't want to comb. I want to make sure that my hair doesn't poof up. I want it to look down. So I'm just going to focus. When I use this rat tail comb, I'm just going to focus on my roots instead of the bottom of my hair. Because j'avais pas de problème, pardon. Maman, on va faire quoi avec toi? Yeah, so this style takes a lot of products. I will tell you that right now. I'm not sure if I want to I think I'm going to do that. Tout ça bon parce que ma tête est un peu ronde. I have a round head, so I don't want to push it all the way back. Because my round head is going to make me look like the Walmart ball that you see with the smiley face on it. We ain't about that. Right? Get that hold going so it won't go nowhere.
Listen, I don't want to hear nothing about black girls' hair is horrible. If a black girl's hair can do this, black girl's hair can do anything. You can put your mind to it. Heck yeah. Sorry. So yeah, this is basically what I did. Dark skinned girls hair are good too. It's not just the mixed girls out here. We also got good genes, you feel me? So that's what I did. I just went in with Aunt Jackie and then the mousse, and we laid it down with the comb, the rat tail comb. I love this comb. Okay, so buy you one of these if you ever want to do like a slick down or whatever style. And then we, you know, went in with the wet gel just to add that extra. Miss Girl who? Nah, we fully black. So just to keep my hair from freezing up at the top, I'm gonna go in with this Got To Be gel. I don't want it to do what it does if I do wet and go. I just want it to be styled. So I'm gonna like add just a little bit to the ends of my curls. The wet look goes through a lot, okay? So don't let anyone fool you. If you got thick hair, Got To Be gel will do justice. It will just hold it all together without. And plus, I already put other gels on top of it, so it won't be strictly too dry. I'm just gonna look at the waves. Vraiment, hein? Tout le monde mon daily vraiment. I'm just gonna lay this down. Because I want this hair not to poof, I'm gonna go in the back. I'm gonna lay it down like this. And then get it from there. Because I want it to stay steady. You know, we want that easy E. On the back side. Like it's west side. West side. On the back side. I'm not going to press it too hard because I don't want that do-rag line, you know. You know them dudes nowadays when they do do-rag lines. When they do their do-rag, you know a dude slept with the do-rag. So that do-rag line, we don't want that. I don't want the do-rag line. And I'm just going to wait for about 30 minutes or so. So we're back. So I'm just going to unfold this. The reason why I didn't tie it so tight because I know when I do this, it's going to come to life. Ooh, do I like this look? No, I don't. But the style is not bad. But do I like the look, the wet look on me? No, because I have a round face. So I feel like this look will look cute if it was longer. And if my hair was a lot longer than this, I would definitely rock this look. I like how my curls look though. My curls look crunched. My curls look really crunched. That's like in a good way. This is really okay. Hold on. Y'all see the waves? Sis, I gotta move up for a little bit. So the hair is not bad. Like this technique that I used is not bad at all. Humidity, because it's so the whole technique is not bad for like a once in a while thing. You hear me? Once in a while thing. I'm not gonna encourage you to do this like as a protective styling, because one, that's not gonna happen for me. But I am gonna say that these two methods with the gel mixed together is by far the best method I've used when it comes to, you know, the wet look. I wish I knew about this when I had my shorter hairstyle, but this ain't bad for the wet look. Mwana mundele kaka. Mwana mundele. Butala. We wavy over here. Swoosh, swoosh. Wave yourself in my DMs. Whoosh. You know how hard it is to get waves? Who said black girls didn't have hair? Who said black girls didn't have good hair? Who said black girls only need weave? Sis, black girl magic. But if you guys like this video, you like how I did this style, you like the outcome of it, vous-même vous regardez, tout ça, moi, mon délai, là, je vois caca, un peu, dans mes mots, c'est un peu pour que vous regardez, hein, vous voyez ça, hein, on va tourner ici pour que tu me regardes. Moi, mon délai, caca, hein, on se voit comme un métis, éthiopien, caca. If you guys like this video, thank you so much for watching. Que Dieu vous bénisse, may God bless you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Because I'm within my biz, I can be there. So you just gonna click off without pressing subscribe, nor pressing the like button, thumbs up, like it, and then all you gotta do is press subscribe. It's on 1, 2, 3, subscribe, press the notification bell, the smile goes on. All I want you to do is subscribe. Thank you, sis.